new YouTube monetization rules changes to YouTube partner program. Okay, here we go. YouTube has announced major updates to the YouTube partner program, taking effective February 1st, 2027. Entire entry requirement for new channels applying for full-time and premium revenue sharing are doubling. Going on thresholds for shorts monetization are being introduced. The new entry threshold effective February 1st. Long form watch hours double from 4,000 to 8,000 public watch hours in past 365 days. Shorts views doubled from 10 to 20 million qualified shorts views in the past 90 days. Subscribers remain unchanged at 1,000 subscribers. Tier 1 fan funding requirements remain at 500 subscribers with 3,000 watch hours and 3 million shorts views. Existing YouTubers donate to qualify under the high new threshold. Ongoing rules for shorts earnings. Shorts creators must maintain a rolling target of 20 million views every 90 days to keep earnings from the shorts feed. If the views drop below 10 million shorts, earnings pause automatically and resume once the threshold is crossed again. Long form revenue is unaffected. The YouTube partner program. YouTube partner program launched 20 years ago. Today, it remains the only program pays creators constantly and transforming, gaining over 3 million creators in the program. We're making the first significant changes since 2018, ensuring that YouTube continues to be the leader in the creator economy. So this is the first change in the 2018. So this new changes will take effect 2027. Premium Lite. The expanding Premium Lite to all countries where they're all offered the premium. Creators earn from the subscription through a dedicated pool of revenue for each subscribers. Type 30% revenues partner, 60% revenue Lite. Creators revenues share 55% long form videos and 45% shorts. YouTube Shorts. We're updating how we distribute shorts revenues to reward creators who drive conversation and engage. The beginning of February 1st, 2027, creators who have 10 million qualified shorts views in the last 90 days will be eligible for ads and subscription revenue sharing in shorts channel below. Shorts revenue sharing automatically resumes once they cross 10 million views. For channels below the 10 million view threshold, Intimate introduced new ways to earn based on YouTube ads and premium threshold. Giving pay to the growth of YouTube, which is now sees over 200 billion daily shorts views, over 1 billion hours watch time on TV every day. New creators applying for YouTube partner program will need 8,000 qualified watch hours in the last 365 days, or 20 million qualified shorts views in the last 90 days. Entire thresholds for those fan funding shall remain unchanged. So there you go. That's the new monetization rules by YouTube. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, subscribe to the channel. I need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Help me get monetized, please. Thank you very much.